Hello guys and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix lag on Roblox. So as you can see right now I don't have any lag and this is a high quality server. Now all what you have to do to fix the lag is very easy. Just go to the top corner on the server and you will find this logo of Roblox. Click on it and then make sure to go to the settings page, and then all what you have to do is scroll down and make the graphics mode on this manual option, and then make the graphics quality lower by clicking right here, and then all what you have to do is make sure to turn off the performance state and the micro profiler and the camera inverted. Go back and congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.